Hey, welcome back everybody to another YouTube video. This is C's Get Degrees here again. Today we're going to be looking into CodePen and the HTML and CSS aspects that go with it. So for today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to manipulate a CodePen. The CodePen that I chose was one called CSS Buttons. I liked this one because it was fairly straightforward, and also it was just fun to play around with all the buttons, kind of do different things. It just looks visually appealing. But the first thing we're going to jump into is HTML and how we can use HTML to mess around with this CodePen. So first thing, the header, who doesn't like fun buttons? We're just going to change that to I love fun buttons, and it'll appear right before our eyes. It changes pretty much instantly. And then going into the button list, we can change up all the names on these buttons. So we can do this button is the best button. And now we have all that, and then we can change the bottom paragraph to just something like really anything. So for this video, I'll just make it. Now you've seen the demonstration. Alright, so now that we've done this, I think the only logical thing to do would be to mess around with the colors on it. So the first thing we're going to change is the color on the background, and we're going to make that just blue. And it'll change before us. Let's see, the header. Maybe instead of yellow, we want green. And then for the paragraph, I don't know, we'll make this one orange. So these are just very small little examples on how we can, make things look different. And then maybe for font size, we'll make it 12 instead of 1.2. And now, wow, okay, we've made that a little too big, huh? But we'll just change it back to 1 here. And now it's smaller. So there's just a lot of stuff that you can do to mess around with things using CSS. This particular CodePen didn't have any JavaScript aspects to it, but that's all right because I'm really not as familiar with JavaScript, but I can go and explain a little bit about HTML and CSS. So thanks for listening, everybody. This has been C's Get Degrees, signing off until next week.